Hello everyone, my name is Japing Ho. I'm going to present my CIS9467 midterm project. I'm going to analyze the New York State air quality from two factors, PM 2.5 and ozone. I remember the first day I arrived at New York. My first feeling is that the air is really good here, and as people are more concerning about the environmental health, I think it's important for us to know something about the air quality of the place we live. That's the reason why I conduct an analysis about air qualities for this project. I obtained this data from the catalog.data.gov websites. We can see here there are also some other formats of datasets available here. And this is a really big dataset, as it's a nationwide dataset containing different states, different counties, and different years data. So one of the challenges that I found in the process of analyzing this is how to filter and organize the data so that I can get what I want. Finally, I decided I would only analyze the 12 counties of New York State and for a 10 years time period from 2001 to 2011. So I filtered the data to get the annual average PM 2.5 and the number of days with maximum 8-hour average ozone concentration over the standard data. I will just call it ozones for short in the following. For the 12 counties from year 2001 to 2011 of New York State. Then I used the period table to extract data to show each county's PM 2.5 and ozone's value from year 2001 to 2011. And you can see this through period table here. I insert a spark right here for each period table, and we can see the overall declines for each county for both PM 2.5 and ozones. Then I use this period table to create different charts, line charts, bar charts, and pie charts for more visual analysis. We can see from these dashboards the first left-hand side line charts. We can see that PM 2.5 value decreased from year 2001 to 2011, and the second line chart shows ozone values also decrease from year 2001 and 2011. And from the pie chart and the bar chart, along with the slices, we can see which county has the highest PM 2.5 and ozone values for each year. Going through all the years with the slicer, I can see that New York County has the highest PM 2.5 and Suffolk County has the highest ozone values for most of the year from 2001 to 2011. And overall, Steuben has the relative low PM 2.5 and ozones for these years. Then I reorganized the data to put PM 2.5 and number of days ozones in different columns corresponding to different counties and different years. Thus, I can use the Power View to make an animation to see how the combination of the PM 2.5 and ozone change from 2001 to 2011. We can see that there is fluctuation from some years, but overall they move toward the ordinate origin, which means they are decreasing. When I click in the individual circles for a specific county, we can also see its track of change for years. I learned a lot from this project, especially I am not familiar with how to create animation with play axis in Power Views, but I know what elements that I need to complete this after finishing this project. Besides, it's happy to know that New York State's air quality tends to become better. Thank you. This is my